The time is now. Are you ready? Are you ready to take your business to higher heights? In so many ways, productivity and profitability are the words on every business owner's lips. And with lockdown and with a new normal coming, we need to make sure that we are positioning our businesses for growth. If you can get your profitability and the productivity of your workforce in place, you will be setting yourself up to be able to soar to higher heights. My name is Christine Tudder. I'm a chartered accountant and I'm the proud founder and chief disruptor of UPvisor. And we are all about unlocking the potential in your business as well as in you, business owner, and to be able to improve your profitability and your productivity. And at UPvisor, we know your primary focus as business owner is to make sure that you are getting those feet through the door and you are focusing on strategy and making sure that your operations are moving smoothly. And very few small business owners really have the mental capacity or even the time to really worry about their finances. As long as there's cash in the bank, they're fine and they're happy, right? Until it's too late. Now we understand you might not be in a position to employ a full-time person to take care of your finances. And maybe you don't even need someone full-time because frankly you're not that big yet. And we also know you might not understand the full financial implications of some of those business decisions you need to make. Or you might be in a situation where you don't really have that good control over your cash flow or about what's happening in your profitability levels. And then on the other hand, you might not really fully understand all of the financial things, right? You might not know if you are costing your products correctly or even if they are being priced correctly. And as a result, you're leaving money out on the table. Or you might not know exactly what you need to keep in mind when you're making those business decisions from a financial perspective. Or you're in that lucky position where you are needing to grow and get some funding, but you're not sure where to start. Or you might simply not know where to start looking to find ways to cut down on expenses. But if we're honest, if we can get to grips with even just some of those things, we will be setting up our business to be that much more successful going forward. And at UPvisor, our dream is for you to be in the privileged position where you as a small business owner can delegate to your heart's content and you can start focusing on those things that you really love to do. So that might eventually involve employing a full-time financial manager. Or once you get that big, you might even get to employ a chief financial officer. Now, won't that be snazzy? And they will be the ones that will be able to journey out this life of making sure that your business is a success with you. But in the meantime, we're here to fill that gap. And we want to see all of those big business dreams you have come into fruition. So as your financial performance consultant of choice, we are here to serve you in 3 different ways. Firstly, we want to equip you with the knowledge and the tools that you need to make sure that your business is performing profitably and your employees are performing productively and efficiently. And secondly, we are here to help free you up to focus on those things that matter the most, like strategy and operations, through our consulting and part-time financial management services. And thirdly, we believe that we have a responsibility to enhance the lives of the next generation. And we want to see them being employable and enterprising, being well-skilled and excellent at what they do. And we believe that each one should teach one. So we are doing our bit, and we would like to partner with other businesses to also play a role in helping this next generation be well equipped. Because ultimately, the next generation is going to determine the sustainability of your business. So if you would like to learn more about our equipping or our executing, do go check out those pages on our site, where you will get a lot more information about the types of training that we provide, as well as a lot more detail about the executing services we provide. But in the meantime, we are here, we are ready to serve you, and we are ready to unlock the potential of your business. But the ball is in your court. We are ready to serve you. But are you?